Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by unlocking the iPhone and confirming it's on a recent iOS. This reduces surprises. Open Settings, tap General, then scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone. You're initiating the reset flow. Once there, make sure you're ready to remove personalized keyboard data. It won't erase apps or media. This first action targets system keyboard memory, so don't skip verifying your device passcode or Face ID touch access before continuing. Now move to the specific reset controls. Now tap Reset and select Reset Keyboard Dictionary to remove learned words and autocorrect entries. You'll be prompted for your device passcode. Enter it to confirm the change. This step clears the keyboard's learned vocabulary and custom autocorrect corrections, which fixes persistent mistypes or wrong suggestions. Once done, the keyboard returns to factory-learned defaults but keeps system language settings. Make sure you don't confuse this with Reset All Settings. This action only affects keyboard learning, not other preferences. Finish by testing typing in messages, notes, or mail to confirm autocorrect behavior has reset. Type commonly problematic words to watch suggestions. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and repeat the Reset Keyboard Dictionary step, because caches sometimes need a reboot. Make sure to check additional keyboards and dictation settings. Extra language keyboards or text replacements can influence suggestions. If you still see bad corrections, remove suspect text replacements or disable add-on keyboards. Then test again to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.